I think there's this issue of a trade-off between timeliness and specificity. So timeliness meaning that we can get information earlier, we can disseminate that information, we can track things that are emerging, diseases emerging in populations, we can communicate about them, we can get that information out and really work collaboratively. I think one of the issues that we work very clearly on is the issue of specificity. So finding, the signal to noise issue, finding things that are not real. So that's one issue. The other issue is spreading fear as well, and that's something that we're really trying to work actively, not to necessarily be a purveyor of fear and panic in our system, and really think about really getting the most high quality data in the system without all the noise. And so I think it's both an early detection issue, but also giving the public as much useful information as possible. And the more that these tools like Twitter and social networking come in, there's just this massive influx of information that we need to handle and appropriately disseminate.